In this video, I'll be showing you how to update your DocuWorks tray. So first, we have to check how to see the version of our DocuWorks tray. So to do that, we need to open the tray display settings. You can go to Help and then click on the About tab, and you can automatically see here that my DocuWorks tray version is 2.1.0. All right, so what we need to do now is to open a browser and go to direct.fujixerox.com. So in this website, I've already mentioned it, I guess, in the past as well. If you have been watching my videos about DocuWorks and DocuWorks Tray, the login for Fuji Xerox Direct account is actually the account that you have used when you activated your DocuWorks. So I guess you already know how to use it. So let me go ahead and log in. Log in, don't save. All right, and let's go over and click on DocuWorks from this screen. You already know where to go, I guess. If you have watched the previous videos, we have to go to download softwares and it will provide us the available DocuWorks packages that we have where it tells you about DocuWorks trial, the updates for DocuWorks as well. You can download it from here. This is where you can download the DocuWorks Tray to updates as well. Okay, so let me open this one up and I'm asked to download the latest version, which is 2.1.2. Okay, so I'll proceed with agree and download. Okay, just saving the file. Downloading the DocuWorks Tray to update, and updating your DocuWorks tray provides you the option to have most of the latest features, such as the filtering for notification within your trays. You can do that. So I'll show you guys in the next videos on how to actually use or utilize those tray features. So I hope that you can see how to update it through this video. Once that it's updated, just go ahead and extract it. If you like to read the README file, you can go ahead and do so as well. There's no problem with that. All right, so we open the update and you can see here all the READMEs. You can again read them all up. Should be all right. I'll just go ahead and proceed to install it now. Okay, so I actually have DocuWorks Desk open right now, so let me close that off first before I proceed to install. It might, it might cause some issues with the update, and the update might not appear without, me restarting the computer. So let's just proceed with closing that one down. Now, the first page is just asking me to accept the license agreement and then click on install. Okay, it's just waiting to update. Okay, so it's finished. I'll go ahead and wait for it to complete. There are no other running process in the background, and it says that DocuWorks Tray 2 has been installed successfully. So I'll proceed to open my DocuWorks desk, which is on my desktop, and go to Tray Display Settings and go and check if my version is now on 2.1.2. All right, so it is on 2.1.2 now, and it's updated to the latest version. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this is informative for you guys.